Alright, so we're ready to apply our template to our steel. What you'll need is you'll need a cutout template. Again, this one's from dcknives.com. Some magnets, just a little template in place while you trace it, and a Sharpie to trace the template. So when you're applying the template to your steel, you want to make sure that you line it up so that it minimizes the amount of cutting you need to do. The other thing that you might want to do, and that I'm going to do in this case, is I've got a straight edge on the back of this knife, and I'm going to line that up with one of the straight edges on the steel, just so that, again, it'll help me keep it straight and minimize the amount of cutting I need to do. So I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm going to just take my magnets, stick them on there just to hold it in place, make sure it doesn't move while I'm tracing it. I'll take my marker. Alright, there we go. Now we've got our template all traced out onto our steel, and we're ready to start cutting. Okay, I've got the knife clamped to my bench here, and I'm going to use a grinder with a zip disc to cut out the rough profile. So it's important, you don't want to get too close, because you'll finish that with either a file or a belt grinder. For now, we're just kind of doing the bulk removal. Another thing, when using power tools, make sure you wear some eye protection and be careful. Okay, so I've switched to a grinding disc now to do a little bit more material removal. One word of caution here is you got to be very careful not to overheat the steel, or you may cause it to harden, which will make it very difficult to work with later. So kind of move around lots, and if you need to, take a break and cool it in some water. You can see it's wet because I just shoved it in a snowbank to cool it off. So. And here we are. We've got our rough profile from the angle grinder. From here, we move on to sanding and filing. Ooh, hot.